Good evening, everyone! Hi, guys! Kain po tayo. That's it. Sorry. That's it, everyone. Kain po tayo. Tagalog. Because, guys, spicy sisig today. Hindi muna tayo healthy today. Walang fish. Wala akong mabiling fish. There's no fish in the market. Fish in the sea. In the blue sea. Shout out everyone, guys. Followers. Even not my followers. Also Marites. Pasok. Come here. So, guys, thank you. This is an early gift for me. I don't want to say